Force. Force is a push or pull that can cause an object to change its shape, direction, and the speed. Types of force. There are two types of force. They are number 1 fundamental forces, number 2 derived forces. Let us learn about fundamental forces. The forces which exist naturally in nature are called fundamental forces. These forces are independent forces. Types of fundamental forces. There are 4 types of fundamental forces, namely gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. What are the fundamental forces in nature? Gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force. Let us discuss about derived forces. The forces originated from fundamental forces are called derived forces. These are dependent forces. Example, frictional force, spring force, muscular force, etc. Let us discuss fundamental forces. First one, gravitational force. Every body in universe attracts other body with some force. This force is called gravitational force. Properties of gravitational force. It is universal attractive force. It depends on mass and distance. We know universal law of gravitation. F is equals to G into m1 m2 by r square. Here F is the force between two masses having masses m1 and m2, and r is the distance between them, and G is universal gravitational constant. No medium required for gravitational force. Range is infinity. It is the weakest force and strength is about 10 power minus 39. Electromagnetic force. The force acting between charged particles is called electromagnetic force. Properties of electromagnetic force. It may be attractive or repulsive. No medium required. Range is infinity. Strength 10 power minus 2. Strong nuclear force. The force acting among nucleons, that is protons and neutrons, is called strong nuclear force. Properties of strong nuclear force. It is charge independent. It is strongest force in nature. Range is about 10 power minus 15 meters, that is 1 Fermi. Strength 100 times to the electromagnetic force, that is 100 into electromagnetic force 10 power minus 2, we get 1. Weak nuclear force. The force acting between beta particle and neutrino is called weak nuclear force. So here beta particle, the fast moving electrons are called beta particle, and neutrino, it is a chargeless and massless particle. Properties of weak nuclear force. This force appears in certain nuclear processes such as beta decay. Beta decay, nucleus emits beta particle along with uncharged particle called a neutrino. This process is called beta decay. Weak nuclear force is function of it. The range of the weak nuclear force is 10 power minus 15 meters. Strength 10 power minus 13. So we have a question. Arrange the fundamental forces in descending order of their relative strength. Strong nuclear force is greater than electromagnetic force is greater than weak nuclear force is greater than gravitational force.